Law school, deadlines, bar prep, billable hours. The legal field thrives on intensity, but it's also a pressure cooker. That's why mindfulness isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful mindfulness exercise called RAIN. RAIN helps you process difficult emotions, reduce stress, and respond instead of react. It stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and nurture. In this video, we'll explore each step and how to apply it when the pressure's on. Whether you're prepping for a final or facing courtroom anxiety, RAIN can help clear your mind and build resilience. So let's start with the first step, recognize. Ever found yourself spiraling over an email from a partner or a grade that didn't meet expectations? Step 1 of RAIN is to recognize what's happening internally. Maybe it's stress, maybe it's fear of failure, maybe it's imposter syndrome whispering in your ear again. Pause, take a breath, and simply name it. This is anxiety. This is self-doubt. When you name the emotion, you create space between you and the feeling. And that space is powerful. In law, we analyze external facts. RAIN helps us analyze internal experience with clarity and without judgment. Next, allow. And that one's not always easy. In law, we're trained to argue, to push back, to fix. But in mindfulness, the next step is the opposite. After you recognize an emotion, you allow it. That means saying, internally, this feeling is here, and it's okay for now. Allowing doesn't mean liking it. It means not fighting it. Resistance creates more stress. Allowance creates space for insight. Imagine you're in court and an opposing argument throws you off. Rather than tighten up or shut down, you allow the discomfort to be present without reacting. And that is strength, not weakness. The next step is investigate, taking a curious and compassionate look inward. Law students and lawyers are excellent investigators when it comes to case law. But RAIN asks you to investigate your inner world. After recognizing and allowing the emotion, ask, what's triggering this? Where do I feel it in my body? What am I believing about myself right now? Maybe the fear isn't just about failing a test. Maybe it's, if I fail, I'll never make it. This step is not self-criticism. It's curiosity. Treat yourself as you would a client or a friend, with attention, respect, and an open mind. And finally, we arrive at the most transformative part of RAIN, nurture. Let's face it, the legal world doesn't treat us to be gentle with ourselves. After investigating, the final RAIN step is nurture. Ask yourself, what do I need most right now? What would I say to a friend in this situation? Maybe it's, you're doing your best, or it's okay to feel overwhelmed. This doesn't define you. This is where the real healing happens. Nurture isn't weakness. It builds emotional resilience, which sharpens your focus and sustains your energy. Practicing RAIN can help you show up in class, in court, and in life with clarity and calm. Take 5 minutes today. Start with recognize. The storm may be loud, but RAIN will help you stand in it, grounded.